On this video today, I'm going to show you the best strategy that you can use to make over $500 within 24 hours using CPA marketing. This method is very simple, and the best part is that you don't need to invest anything, you don't need any experience, you don't need any skills. Everything is very easy, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. First step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are many CPA networks that you can join. In this case, I'm using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can search for CPA Group and then join. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you're here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you have to select My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. As a school, you can see these are offers that you can promote to make money from home. CPA Group has a lot of offers that you can promote to make money from home. Most of the offers on this platform have higher payout, so if you find those offers and promote, you are going to be making even more than $500 within 24 hours. So you can do your search. Once you do your search, you will be able to find out the best offers that you can promote to make money from home. But one thing that you must take note is that CPA offers, they are geo-specific. So what you have to do is that you have to search for a location where you have a traffic source before you promote the offers. Apart from that, you have to also look for a location that has offers with higher payout. As you can see on your screen, all these offers are CPA offers, but the payout is very low. You can see everything, the payout is very low. Some of them you are going to be earning 60 cents per every lead that you get. You can see 86 cents per every lead that you get. If you promote offers like this, you are not going to be making up to $500 per day because the payout is low. If you want to make up to $500 per day, what you have to do is that you have to search for offers that have higher payout so that you can be making more than $500 within 24 hours. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you one of the countries where you can get offers with high payout. There are a lot of different countries where you can get offers with high payout, but the one that I'm going to show you, I have a traffic source where you can get people who live in that country to click on your affiliate link and then take the action for you to make money. So to search for a country, click right here. Once you click on it, you can search for any country that you want and you will be able to know the offers that are available in that country for you to promote. As a school, you can see different countries that you can click on to find available offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different countries. In this case, we are going to search for Spain. So search for Spain. Once you search for it, click on it. Once you search for Spain, you're going to see a page like this. As I scroll down, you can see offers that you can promote. You can see the first offer, you're going to be earning $8.21 per every lead that you get. The next one, you're going to be earning 82 cents per every lead that you get. There are many offers that are allowed to be promoted to people who live in Spain. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then search for any of the offers that you want to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. Just search for the one that have the highest payout so that you can promote it. You can see a whole lot of different offers. As I scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different offers. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see this offer right here. You're going to be earning $19.25 per every lead that you get. But the requirement is that your potential visitors have to enter their credit card details so that they can get access to the offer before you are paid $19.25. Sometimes it is difficult to get people to enter their credit card details online. So if you promote an offer like this, the possibility of you getting many people to enter their credit card details for you to get paid is very low. So I usually don't promote offers like this unless I'm sure that I'll get a lot of people. So we are not going to be promoting this offer, but you can see the next one. The requirement is the same and the payout is $6.42. You can see it right here. So we are not going to be promoting any of these two offers. What you have to do is that you have to keep on scrolling down so that you can find out the offer that has a higher payout. You can see this offer right here. The payout is $10.27. That is the amount that you're going to earn per every lead that you get. And you can see the requirement is very simple. The potential visitors are required to submit a PIN. Once they submit the PIN, they can be able to get access to the offer and we are going to be paid. So you can promote an offer like this. Apart from this offer, you can see this offer right here. The payout is also high. You're going to be earning $12.83 per every lead that you get. You can see the requirement is very simple. So if you want, you can promote an offer like this, but we are going to scroll down. If you don't get an offer that has a higher payout than this, you can come back and then promote it. So just scroll down to the bottom so that you can find out if there is an offer that has a higher payout. So let's scroll down to the button. Let's scroll down to the button so that we can find the offer. You can see $10.27. As a scroll, you can see a whole lot of different offers. Let's scroll down to the button. You can see $8. You can see this offer right here. The payout is $17.11. The requirement is very simple. You can see pin submit. This is one of the best offers that you can promote because the payout is high and the requirement is very simple. If you want, you can still scroll down to find out if there is an offer that has much higher payout than this. So just scroll down to the button. Just scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down, you can see there is no offer that has much higher payout than this. So we are going to be promoting this offer. To promote the offer, what you have to do is that you have to translate the language from Spanish to English so that you understand what the offer is about. You don't have to promote an offer that you know nothing about, so you have to know what the offer is about before you promote it. To translate the language, what you have to do is that you have to right click. Once you right click, you can see translate to English. Click on it so that everything will be translated. As you can see, it has been translated. Everything has been translated, and you can see the title of the offer, play the best games. So our potential visitors are going to get access to games, and we are going to be paid $17.11. They don't need to buy anything. All that they need to do is that they have to submit the pin. Once they submit the pin, they can get access to the games, and we are going to be paid. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on the name of the offer so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see this is an image of the offer. You can see the description of the offer, the title. You can see a whole lot of different details about the offer. If you want to select a tracking domain, you can click right here. Once you click on it, there are many of them that you can select. Just select any of them that you want. Once you select the tracking domain, the next step is that you have to get people in Spain to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that you can be paid $17.11. You can see this offer is only allowed on Apple iOS in Spain, so you have to get people who live in Spain to click on your affiliate link and then take the action for you to make money. You can use paid traffic source to get people to click on your link. You can also use a free traffic source to get people who live in Spain to click on your link. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to get people who live in Spain to click on your link and then take the action for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is Annoncier.es. This is an advertising website that is based in Spain. So you can use it to advertise your affiliate links for free. You are not required to pay for anything. Everything is free, and the best part is that you get the right people to click on your link and then take the action for you to make money. The name of the website, if I'm not pronouncing it well, forgive me because I don't understand Spanish, but I will leave the link in the description so that you can click on it and then get access to the website. You can see this is the name of the website. You have to take note of it so that you can be able to get access to the website. Now once you're on the website, what you have to do is that you have to create a free account so that you can be able to post your ad for free. To create an account, what you have to do is that you have to click right here to access. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to always translate the language to English so that you understand. So click on your Google Translate. Once you click on it, you have to change it from Spanish to English so that you understand the text on the website. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to fill the details so that you can sign up for an account. To fill the details, click right here, sign up. Once you click on it, they will give you a form that you have to fill so that you can get access to the website. You can see this is the form. You have to enter your name, share names, email address, repeat your email address, password, repeat your password. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see your phone number. That is not compulsory, so you can skip this. Once that is done, you have to select the seller. You can see they have individual and professional. Select individuals. In this case, it is particular, so select that. Once that is done, you are going to click right here. I have read the conditions of use and accept the privacy policy, so select that. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down and then enter the captcha. Once you enter it, you can be able to register for a free account without paying for anything. Once you create your account and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Translate everything to English so that you can understand. You can see that has been done. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post ad. Once you click on post an ad, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the category of your ad. So you have to scroll down and then select the right category of your ad. You can see right here, electronics and games. They have businesses, services, animals and pets. You can see a whole lot of different categories. Select the one that best match the offer that you are promoting. In this case, it is a game, so you have to select electronics and games. Once you click on that, you can see games of chance, video games, video game consoles. Click on video games consoles. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see video games, consoles, accessories, modify consoles, consoles, repair, and the rest. So what you have to do is that you have to select video games. Once you select video games, you can see PlayStation games, PlayStation 2 games, PlayStation 3 games. Just select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to select PlayStation games. Once you select it, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select a specific location in Spain. You can see they have province, municipalities, and your art type. So first of all, you have to select a province in Spain that you are targeting. Just click on it. Select any province in Spain that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. Just scroll down and then select any of them that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I'm going to select Barcelona. Once that is done, you have to select the municipality. So click on it, select any municipality that you want. Once that is done, you can see art type. Click on it. You can see a whole lot of different options. Just select the one that you want. You can select an offer or you can select free. Any of them that you want, select it. In this case, I'm going to select offer. So select that. Once that is done, you're going to click on send. Sometimes if you click on send, it is not going to go through. What you have to do is that you have to click on send again so that it will go through. So click on send again so that it will go through. Once you click on it, you can see it has now opened. You can see everything. You can see everything. Now what you have to do is that you have to translate it to English. Just translate it. As you can see, that has been done. Now what you have to do is that you have to enter the details of your ad. You can see the qualification. So that is your ad title. The next one is the description. You can see images. So you have to upload all those details so that you can publish your ad. To get those details, you have to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, you can see this is an image of the offer. Right click on it and download it. So once you right click on it, select save images. Once you click on save images, you're going to see something like this. Click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you have downloaded the image, what you have to do is that you have to translate the text back to Spanish so that you can copy it and then use it on your ad. So just click right here, Google Translate. Once you click on it, you have to translate it back to Spanish. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to highlight and then copy the title of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to copy the description of the offer and then paste it right here. So just come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, highlight and copy the description of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to paste it right here. Once that is done, you have to upload an image of the offer. So click on choose photos. Once you click on it, select the image that you downloaded, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is the image of the offer. If you want, you can add more images. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Just scroll down to the button. You can see state. You can click on it and then select new second hand. In this case, it is a new offer, so just select that. Once that is done, you can see price. It is free, so just enter 0.00, something like this. Once that is done, you can see telephone contact. It is not compulsory, so just leave it like that. You can see show phone for WhatsApp. Do not enter anything. You can see map street. Do not enter anything. Once that is done, you can see web. You have to enter your affiliate link here. So you have to come back on CPA Grip, click on copy link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you're going to come back, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see if you have a YouTube link, you can paste it right here. But we don't have a YouTube video link, so just leave it. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see I have read the conditions of use and accept the privacy policy. Click on it. Once that is done, you're going to click right here, send, so that your ad will publish. As you can see, your ad has been published. You can see it right here. Let's translate it so that you can understand what they are talking about. You can see the ad has been published. So let's translate it. Let's select English. You can see your ad has been successfully stored. You can return to your private area and manage your ads from there. So your ad has been published to the platform. So what you have to do is that you have to keep on publishing different ads, so that you can get people who live in Spain to click on your affiliate links and then take the actions for you to make money from home. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money on this website without investing anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.